Do you want your YouTube playlist to be organized in the best possible way? Sorting videos by popularity can help you showcase the most watched and loved videos at the top. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly and easily sort your playlist and put the most popular videos at the top. Let's get started. First, find your YouTube Studio app and open it. Once you're in YouTube Studio, immediately in the menu at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the Content option. Tap on it. After that, in this section, you'll see two options, Videos and Playlists. Now, tap on the View All button next to the Playlists section. When you do this, it will open a page with all your playlists. Now, find the playlist you want to apply sorting to and tap the three dots next to it. Then, in the menu that appears, at the bottom of the screen, select the Edit option. After that, you'll see several options for adjusting the playlist, including the option to sort videos. Now tap on the Ordering option, and this will open a menu with various sorting options. Among these options, find and tap on Most Popular. Right after that, at the bottom of the screen, tap the Save button to save your changes. Once you've done that, your playlist will be sorted by popularity, and the most popular videos will appear at the top. And that's all for this short tutorial, friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.